Right now, it looks like the Quant price in the 4-hourly time frame has been holding this level pretty well for the past couple of days right here. And as we dive deep into the charts later on the video, I'll explain exactly what this means for the future of the Quant price in the immediate short term. And right now in the 4-hourly time frame, the Quant price is also inching its way closer to this trend line, which by the way is going to be acting as support like I've said in my previous video, because this has acted as support previously in the Quant price action right here. So it is also safe to assume that in the future this could be acting as support like I've said. So before I dive deep into the charts explaining my new expectations and targets, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to consider subscribing to the channel. All just like 2 seconds of your time, and it really means a lot to me. So again, so right now we're in the 4-hourly time frame, and so far nothing much has happened for the Quant price action. We have been trading within the same vicinity or within the same range for the past couple of days. So basically there isn't much to give you guys an update about, but still I'll give you guys an update because again, it's important to keep you guys informed, and this is what you guys have subscribed for. So right now we are approaching or are inching our way closer to this trend line, which I'm expecting, by the way, to act as support because it has acted as support previously. So like I've said, it's safe to assume this could be acting as support the next time we dump or touch this level. So that's what I'm expecting, first of all. And the next thing to talk about basically in the 4-hourly time frame is right now the Quant price has been holding this level in the fib pretty well. As you guys can see, it's the 0.32 level on the fib, that's around $123 US, and we have been holding as support pretty well. So this is looking bullish for the Quant price. I'm sorry about that, but this is looking pretty bullish for the Quant price because if we pull up the RSI has cooled to the downside, as you guys can see, while the price has been maintaining the same level right here for the past couple of days. So that is looking bullish for the Quant price. And once we do reach the optimal levels in the RSI right here, that could signify that the Quant price is ready to have another run up to the upside right here, which is again bullish for the Quant price. But again, remember, it is very, very crucial right now for the Quant price to hold this trend line, because if we lose this trend line, if we fail to hold it as support right here, we could dump back to the support zone located at around $117 until $113, and losing this support zone right here may make the Quant price dump to this swing low right here, and also losing the swing low will be very dangerous for the Quant price because that could signify the continuation of this downtrend or this overall downtrend right here, as you guys can see. So in order to cancel that bearish case, or in order to cancel the downtrend, we must continue forming higher lows. That is the new objective for the Quant price. We must stay above this trend line, and we must hold this trend line as support all the time. So whenever we dump, we must hold it as support, and most importantly, we must break above this resistance zone because it has been acting as strong resistance. We attempted to break out of it 3 times in a row right here, but we have failed to do so, and as a result we have dumped to the downside. So once the Quant price begins to test a trend line once again right here, I'm expecting a bounce that will bring us back to this resistance. Now next time I'm hoping that the Quant price will break above right here and hold it as support. That is the bullish case we're hoping to happen, because again, that could signify the continuation of this uptrend right here. So the objective is we must break above this resistance zone, because once we do break above it, we can flip to support and then continue to the next target, which is the next resistance at $146. So that is the quick update. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, and don't forget to sign up and buy Bit using my affiliate link, you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. And don't forget to join my Discord server where I post daily market signals and updates to my videos.